Hello, this is Muhammad Amin Maher, and this is my lab ABB, Project Lab ABB. So for this project, I use some subroutine, for example, main, B right, O right, R right, and T right. You can see the main, and for example, this is a subroutine belongs to the R right, and this is the location of those. First of all, I calculated my sheet size. After that, I find the location for each part of work. So I wanna run my program. When I click on a runtime simulation, the window is shown, and here I have to choose, for example, R or O, B, T, or W. W means the whole word, so I click on it, and here I have to enter the cycle of action. For example, I enter 5, but due to the sheet size, I can't. The robot can write 5 times. So click OK. Minimize. You can see the offset of the robot. When the program finished, the robot go to the home position. Thank you.